I actually found it extremely interesting, the particular part where you were talking about the translation aspect. I was actually corresponding just recently with somebody in China, and the language is broken between the two of us. I mean, the conversations are literally like 4 words a piece. And I just find it extremely interesting that I could probably go and like hit me up in Mandarin and say that.
I know some people might look at this as like a scary thing, but to me, I see just opportunity. It's absolutely amazing, like all the tools that are at our disposal that we could use to not only create more efficiency, but just to be better overall. And I just thought it was great. I appreciate it. There's like so much I want to download from all this and like go on a rabbit hole this weekend through all this stuff, but it was awesome. I appreciate it.
I think I got a lot of value out of seeing how to better manipulate the AI, like with ChatGPT, telling it like respond in a certain cadence to a post based on the content of that post from this perspective, you know, barring anything that wouldn't be appropriate for a business setting, you know, like that's incredible. And I'm never going to write my own LinkedIn post again.
I spend lots of emails each day, spend a lot of time on it, a lot of follow-ups, and I spend time like trying to think of different ways of saying the same thing. So this is really interesting. I think it will save us a lot of time being able to say things in different ways and not try to sit there and think about it.
So I was using ChatGPT this morning when I had really bad writer's block, and it helped me get out of a rut. And it's been so nice to like have this tool just for content creation and ideation. And like I said earlier in the chat, to see that they can work together rather than against each other and have like competing ideas. It's just so cool.
We always work on processes and efficiencies. So I think that this is just a way that we could scale and be more efficient, save time, deliver more value. Really engaging, and I appreciate how deep you went and all the free information you gave us. You saved us hundreds of hours of research. So thank you.